look like we're back, wouldn't it? Except stuff. So we saw in that beginning there, something's driving. Something that we've had on the channel for about an hour, and that was it. The Fairmont is alive. We brought it out this morning, we washed it. Just going over it, cleaning it up, doing a bunch of little stuff to it, a once over, mainly because I have a bad habit of driving things and leaving things loose. So, quick oil change, quick once over. A little peek for you guys before we finish up what we're doing. I'm just tidying up some of the quick wiring I did, checking loose stuff, checking fluids, etc. While that's happening, actually I need to go the opposite way because the mail came. And before we jump back in and get all that stuff, we were rudely interrupted by the mailman who delivered a diesel crate box, because always getting diesel crate boxes. In the beginning I actually was using the eco cleaner I got from one of my first diesel crate boxes. So we're gonna go ahead and open this diesel crate box to get together. But to do that together, I have to set you somewhere. So let's go like this. No, like this. You can do this, Joe. YouTube. So we will split this guy open. Diesel crate, usual. Thank you guys. Oh, could have used the microfiber cloth when I was washing the Fairmont. I could have used the color foam soap shampoo when I was washing the Fairmont. Big ass brick of soap. That's gonna go in the shower with me. Some lovely stickers as usual. Thank you. And a cozy for my cold snacks. Oh. Oh, knock on the top. Oh. Colognes. Samples. No knife this time. Only disappointment. But, as usual, thank you, diesel crate. Love the product. Love the stuff. And thank you to everybody else also who is watching, subscribing. If you're new here, we build Turbo LS junk, clearly. That one, or well, this one that I've been stealing parts off now that I got it back here. I stole half of this downpipe because I wanted to remake them all out of stainless, and I did half stainless, half aluminized last time. So I salvaged the piece that I wanted and, like a hose, clamped the radiator cap. Little odds and ends from the beautiful little twin turbo S10 that needs cam bearings. That's probably just gonna get that motor instead. We are rambling now. Let's get to what the actual video was. We're gonna go over the Fairmont a little more. I'm gonna run in the house, grab the laptop. I need to adjust the tune like I said, and then we'll hear it. We heard it a little bit in that beginning clip, but it sounds a lot better now that Holly's taking the wheel, got a little of the adjustments going, and then I found a couple odds and ends that I wanted to fix. We'll talk about some more stuff, but let's get in, out, and about and get some stuff going.
2,000 years later.
I'm gonna be honest, I'm not sure if this is gonna work. We'll find out. And I just got all whitewashed by how bright that is and how white I am. Took way longer than I wanted. Got the oil change and everything done. What I am doing here currently, putting the SD card back in. I did a firmware update on the ECU on the handheld. I had to do a new, how do I put this in? There we go. I had to do a new base file, which I reset the prime time on the fuel pump. I don't need 5-second prime time, I need 2 seconds. But let's see, we're in park. That's still 5 seconds. File. Mobile config. Download from ECU, yes. Alright, let's see what happens. My starter hangs up a little bit, which I need to deal with, but it's idling. Well, hey, we should probably see what is happening. temperature. It's cold as crap. It's running. Check it out. Stupid loud right now. I just did a quick little dump, everything has been quick on that. That is the definition of sloppy mechanics, and it's in a Fairmont, so that fit perfect. I mean, flip truck manifolds, MIG welded half of it together, reused parts from other cars. It's running good, I guess. I keep getting lights reflected from the windshield, and I'm just like, ah! I'm nervous, I'm rambling again as usual, because I get nervous and then I ramble, and then I ramble. I guess I'm gonna get it on the ground and we're gonna take it out and drive it real quick. We'll go around the block. The alignment's terrible because SN95 Cobra rack and AJE crossmember and knuckles and all that stuff give Fox bodies a bunch of camber, positive camber. We have the parts to rebuild. We'll get that going in the next video, get an alignment and all that stuff. But for now, I just want to throw you guys on the GoPro. We're gonna go around the block once or twice and then see how it runs. We may end up back there. Really see how it runs? I don't know, we'll find out. Let's just go for a drive, right? Got the motor mounts tighter. It's not wobbling as much. Seatbelts for safety, right, kids? Okay. It has brakes. It has steering. Don't run into Mama's new car or she'll kill me. Probably not. Is this average Joe builds? Oh, definitely. I mean, that's not so bad. Steering straight, and definitely the wheels are like this. There's so much positive camber. Works. I barely have any gas. They pounded the transmission tunnel for this ADE enough that I can barely get my foot on the gas pedal. So I think I'll be changing that. Trail of fluid behind me. I guess that's a plus. Kind of driving. I can tell I'm super low on gas. I think this is a like stock carbureted tank that they just drilled and returned into. I have no idea. signals, I have brake lights, I have tail lights, that's all cool. I did not have, well, I have brake lights, I guess I have turn signals in the S10. I don't have a heater or anything. Oh, I'm falling behind someone, great. About Average Joe builds and the cheap budget stuff we build and where we do all of our testing around town and in my backyard, which I'm heading to right now. You probably have an idea what's about to happen. Should I do this? No. Am I going to do this anyways? Yes. I mean, what better of a test, right? Throw a heater. Probably shouldn't have my seatbelt on anymore. And then pull it back out front. Pull up like this. Hey, it does that stuff. I can't breathe. Oh my god. I can't believe I just did that. I have no idea anything about anything of this, and I'm just like, let's send the bird out. My whole neighborhood is smoking. Whoops. Sorry! You guys are still on. It's at 192 degrees. I am stoked. Let's get out here. It's just been hanging out there. Do I have a new favorite car? I don't know. Why won't it let me take my keys out? Stupid thing. Come on. For another time to figure out. I am excited. Oh, it is hot. I had the heater on the whole time. That made it way hotter than it needed to be, and I'm sweaty now. But like I was saying, not a huge update. Just a, hey look, I have one of the turbo rigs running, and hey look, it doesn't burn out. There's a ton of stuff we need to do to it. There's a ton of stuff we need to do here. A ton of stuff we need to do out there. Actually, let's look at those marks that it made. Check it out. It's both tires, right? I don't know, you guys told me? Oh, it was. It was. Whew. But now I gotta move that stuff, get valve stems and that, get this moved over here. So that, oh, I still have two fenders up there. Gotta get those done. But then, yep, that guy, a chain around it, and a K30 out that way. That's for a different video. We'll catch you guys on that one. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content. Stealing that line from Jimmy Oaks. That's the idol, right? We'll catch you guys next time. Average Joe Builds, out.